We got our friend Pepe. Pepe, how you doing, buddy? Pepe's a Spanish, mostly Spanish speaker. He does know a lot of English, but he likes to hide it from us. Right, Pepe? We got his wonderful daughter who's going to translate a little bit for us. But Pepe, how old are you, my friend? 51 years old. And he started getting these little bumps how long ago? About a couple of years ago. So these didn't start when he was a youngster, so we're really not thinking that he has a condition called hidradenitis suppurativa. And there's a lot of people out there that worry that, you know, patients are getting missed with hidradenitis suppurativa. In fact, but we have our friend Pepe here who just in the last couple of years has started getting these little axillary lesions. This is a carbuncle in the left axilla or the armpit. He's had them in the right too, but they've only showed up in the last couple of years. And so we're going to test his nose for staph today, and we are going to drain these. And this is not a cyst, so there's no sac. Go ahead, Gumby Jean. We've got Gumby Jean back helping us today. We're glad to have you. That's good. Little stick, my friend. Stick, sting, and a burn.